Hi, good morning. My name is Mikayla Arciaga. I'm the Director of Advocacy for IDRA. We are an education policy and research nonprofit, and we are strongly opposed to this bill. We believe it will exacerbate patterns of segregation across the state. You've heard some anecdotes about that, but 43% of private schools in Georgia are more than 75% white as of 2021. We would like to encourage you to instead invest in other public school options that will not exacerbate those patterns of racial and economic segregation, such as HB 668 and HR 490, which members of this committee already support. We are also concerned that SB 233 threatens the civil rights protections for students already at high risk of discrimination and exclusion. The bill does require that participating schools comply with 42 U.S.C. Section 2000D. This provision only prohibits discrimination on the basis of race, color, and national origin. Notably absent are requirements for protections based on sex, gender identity, sexual orientation, religion, disability, or language learning status. And while some of our metro neighbors are fortunate enough to have a selection of specialized private school, this is not the case for many of our rural students. And unfortunately, we have seen students discriminated against on these terms. We would encourage you not to fund segregation. And if you are going to fund these schools and move forward with this bill, we encourage you to require these schools to meet the same minimum protections that our public schools are required to meet.
Thank you, Mikayla.
Thank you.